This Century 21 Hancock Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Scott Grissom. New construction in Oxford Park, corner lot. 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-story home. Open floor plan with large family room west/gas log fireplace. Granite countertops, stainless appliances, tile backsplash, gas stove, kitchen island, pantry and kitchen. Elegant separate dining room west/wainscoting and tray ceiling. Screened porch. Luxury vinyl flooring in family room, kitchen and dining room. Carpet in all bedrooms. Gas tankless water heater. Tile floors in all bathrooms and laundry room. Wood shelving in closets and pantry. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott Grissom at 919-691-4234.